Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. This is Nias, and after a long time I'm back with another video. So as you can see, my room is a mess right now. I have to clean my room. I finished tidying my study table yesterday, but I have to clean my room. And the thing that I wanted to do a vlog today is that because I have a holiday today. It's Wednesday, it's Janmashtami today, and I have a holiday. So, and I also have a test tomorrow, and day after tomorrow I have my orals tomorrow, English orals, and I'm freaking out. And I have my midterms coming starting from September 15th tentatively, and I have to start studying for that. And Ghanta, I've studied nothing, I have to start studying. So yeah, I'm not gonna go outside anywhere. It's raining outside from the past few days, so I'm not gonna go outside. So it's gonna be a very nerdy vlog. So yeah, let's first. I'm gonna first clean my room, and I'm gonna be back. Hello, so I had my lunch and I finished studying the chapter which is there for the test, and now I have to do my worksheet. I have to again do math. Today I have to do GST and trigonometry. Say hi. Okay, so yeah. Okay guys, I am back from tuitions, and I think I cannot vlog anymore because I have to go and properly study without any distractions on my phone. So yeah, that's it for today's vlog, and if you like this video, make sure to check out other videos on my channel and like, share and subscribe. Follow me on my Instagram, the link is in the description box below, and stay tuned for more. Bye.